into this life or the next. I don't beg the wind to change its way. I don't curse the sky for rain. Some loves aren't meant to be held in hands, but are carved inside your name. There is no one I will love like the way my soul loves her. Not in flesh, not in passing fire, not in what the world prefers. If she walks a road that isn't mine, if a shadow fades from view, heaven knows I wanna love her. I was made to see this through. Till this life or the next. May the rivers carry kindness to wherever she may be. May the sun rise soft upon her face with the warmth she gave to me. I release her without bitterness, but I don't release the flame. Some loves are written into stars and never leave the same. Nature carry what I cannot say. Wind move where I cannot go. If the spiritual world is listening, let her feel what I still know. Speak her name in holy places, write it in eternal light. And if we're meant for one horizon, bring us back in perfect time. I love her past the breaking, past the grave, past the sky. Love like this was never born, just to quietly die if I never hold her again. Still my soul won't forget. I love her every single day until this life or the next.